Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing another Japan crate unboxing. Along with me is my husband, Zachary. He likes to test food. So he is here to help me test the food. Can we have some teas, just in case some of it tastes nasty? Never know. So we have our Arizona teas and his Lipton tea, just in case.
Arizona, give me free stuff.
It's not sponsored. We're also not sponsored by Japan Crate either. This is the $30 crate, by the way. It's the premium one where we get drinks and all sorts of stuff, including the candy kits, which I'll be doing videos on. So this is the April 2019 box. Hopefully I get this box and video up in April. Oh wait, no, because it's already May. Never mind. It arrived like 2-3 days ago, so April box will be sometime in the middle of May. In the booklet, it tells you the minis, tells you the originals, and it tells you the premiums. Premiums is like what we get in this box for paying $30. Let's start with this one because it has melons on it, has cantaloupe on it, and I am a big fan of melons. See, this is the Haichu Premium Melon flavor. A whole new way to enjoy Haichu's mouth-watering melon flavor and take on the go-to in a resealable pouch. This version contains round-shaped Haichus that are crispy on the outside with a candy coating in the center of chewy, like a mochi. It is round-shaped.
It smells like melon too, smell that.
Oh, God.
Shit, it smells like melon.
It tastes like melon too. That's exactly like how cantaloupe tastes. That's delicious. What do you think of it?
Tastes like cantaloupe.
It tastes exactly like cantaloupe.
I feel like I'm cantaloupe bubblegum, almost. But without the bubblegum flavor.
This is my favorite already. I haven't even tried anything else. This is my favorite.
I'm not a cantaloupe fan.
He's not a melon fan. And I'll let you pick something out.
This is what I've been really looking at right here. And this is
Ika Ashi Arare. Fried to crispy perfection, this squid snack is a great salty treat to take and munch on while on the go. It gets everywhere when we open it.
Oof.
Oh, I like that smell.
It smells like seafood.
I like seafood. That's good. Doesn't taste like squid.
This is mine. Yeah, this is mine.
We must share.
No.
We must share. Alright, now I get to choose something. I'm gonna choose these ones. Mochitto pudding. Soft and squishy. Enjoy these fluffy and soft pudding flavored rice cakes this spring. This doesn't say. Oh yeah, it looks like flan. I'm not much of a big fan of flan. I know you are. You like it.
I love flan. Flan.
Flan is very popular in Japan apparently, so. Like, they literally have like bucket-sized flans like this big. They do. I saw someone eat one. Like, sit there and just eat it.
I want a 5-gallon bucket filled with flan.
I just love the way these things feel. I was like,
That's the best tasting one yet. The other ones kind of taste like Play-Doh, so if you like the taste of Play-Doh.
To me, it tastes like Play-Doh. That's exactly what it tastes like.
See, the other ones, the fruit ones that we had before tasted like Play-Doh to me. I was like, nah.
This is the one that tastes like Play-Doh to me. So, we got this backwards somehow. Of course you would choose that one.
Cheetos.
Cheetos Cheese. Try Japan's version of Cheezy Cheetos. Originally an American-born snack, it made its way to Japan in 1975 and has been a beloved snack ever since. Well, he's trying it out. I have to go get some for my eyes.
I love Cheetos. These are extra cheesy Cheetos.
Alright. Wow. That almost tastes like the Kraft mac and cheese.
No.
It tastes delicious. I don't even like Cheetos very much. I'm not much of a, like, those type of snack fan. Like, I don't like Cheetos and, like, chips.
I love snacks. I love chips. I love Cheetos.
Mini asparagus butter. Don't fret.
Biscuits. Biscuits.
Asparagus?
Butter biscuits.
It just says right here, asparagus butter. So either way, it's the same thing.
Either way, it's butter biscuits.
Either way, I'm just telling you what it says is the title. Don't fret these Butter biscuits don't taste like asparagus, it's just their fun shape. So this is the shape of asparagus. Take one out. That's not even close to the shape of an asparagus.
So they're just butter biscuits.
I guess it's just a fun shape. This yummy treat tastes like an authentic piece of toast.
It does taste like toast.
Wow, it does. It does taste like toast.
With a sweet cream butter. Not just plain salted butter, but a sweet cream butter. It's a pink Pepsi.
J Cola. Just released in Japan, this Pepsi J Cola Sakura drink is a perfect way to give cheers to the start of Sakura blooming and welcoming the spring season in Japan. It's a pink tinge to it. It's very pink. Shut up, phone.
I like it.
No one asked your opinion. Come here. Let me just
I
try
like
and
that.
put it. It has like a sweet taste, smell to it. That is good. I'm gonna have to half that. No, we have to have it. Fried potato tea salt. This crispy, crunchy, and salty chips have a special flavor. Matcha powder is mixed with the salt to create a unique flavor.
I'm not sure if matcha powder would be good with chips, but we'll see.
They add it into a lot of different things, so.
What will make this better? Matcha. What'll make this steak better? Matcha. Didn't mean to destroy the bag that much.
It smells like regular chips to me.
Because they're fried.
Tastes like regular chips to me too. Like there's not a distinguished taste. There's a slight green tint to it. I don't know if you can tell. There's a slight green tint to it, but these
aren't fried.
These taste like regular chips to me.
Yeah, these aren't fried chips either. These are baked. This caught my eye.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. It looks like a candy kit.
Takenokosato Cheesecake.
Takenokosato Cheesecake. I'm gonna turn the camera. So you just open it. It's definitely not a candy kit, but there's like a little chocolate barrier right here, and like a cream top to it. It smells like cheese to me. I don't like it.
Tastes like cheesecake.
I don't like it. It doesn't taste like cheesecake to me. So I'm just gonna show this to you guys. It's probably hard to see. This is the Okashina Mizu Ame DIY candy kit. Whip up some delicious DIY grape goodness by making this sugary treat. So most definitely I will do a video on this. I'm still transferring videos from my crafting channel onto this channel, so that's why I haven't been doing any new ones yet. So expect this in the future. It's grape flavored, so I know I'm gonna enjoy the hell out of that because I'm a grape fan. Pine candy gummy, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of sour, and a little bit of juicy. These pineapple gummies are perfect sweet treat for spring. Oh my god, smell that.
It smells like pineapple soda.
It smells so good. These are very clear and glossy. Look very cute. That's pineapple flavor.
I like it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's like these little lines on it. It makes it look like a slice of pineapple.
It's good. That was delicious.
Just bit my cheek.
Oh, that sucks.
That one wisdom tooth. Always does it.
Yeah, we're gonna get those out. Gonna have this wisdom teeth out in a couple months. Candies.
Didn't even spill.
Taichu minis. Oh, they're so cute. This must be grape flavored.
Yeah, that's the reason I gave it to you.
Craving something small, sweet, and fruity, this petite package is filled with round-shaped Taichus with a mingle of ramune, soda, grape, peach, and lemon.
It's hard. It's so good though.
This is good. Osamano Wasuremono. This delectable butter and cocoa soft cookie with a chocolate center is too delicious to pass up this April. Oh, it's cute. Show the camera. Look how cute that is. It's like we've been to France, and this is the pastry dish. They put on those really big pastry dishes, and it's just that little single fucking one.
All I gotta say is that's Japanese though.
Oh, smell that.
Mine. Okay, you take a bite. How's that? You don't want to like destroy it.
Tastes like a cookie to me. I have a bite of the
Dark chocolate.
Oh, I don't want dark chocolate. Never mind. You can have it. I don't like dark
love
chocolate.
dark chocolate.
I don't like it. Chocolate Pie Kyo Matcha. Delight yourself in this limited release of Kyo Matcha Choco Pie filled with flavorful green tea cream between two moist brown chocolate cakes that has been covered in chocolate. Sorry.
The word moist.
It's funny to me. I'm not bothered by it like most people. I just think it's a funny word.
For our friends who just watched this video, moist. Try it.
Ugh, it smells like Hades'
No, it doesn't.
grass to me.
No, it doesn't.
Let me just. Oh, look at that. Uh-huh. That's a flavor you're gonna have to continue eating to enjoy.
Tastes like grass.
Yeah.
Tastes like fresh grass.
I'm not gonna disagree with that. Rilakkuma Gummy. This Rilakkuma shaped gummy is quick treats for tummy.
It's so good.
Receive one of two flavors, green apple or red apple. So this one's pink, so I'm guessing it's red apple.
Smells like apple.
Yeah, it does. I'll take a small bite, you take the rest.
It really looks like a sexy bear pose.
Yeah.
He's like laying on his side like.
I'm gonna eat it, Ted. Here you go. It definitely tastes like regular apple. And you take a bite of apple. There you go.
That was really a fresh bite of Fuji apple. This is a strawberry.
I might like this one. So, Kit Kat strawberry. Celebrate the start of strawberry season with a whole bag of strawberry Kit Kats to munch through during April. That is a very strong strawberry flavor to it. Like I was not expecting that strongness of the flavor.
Wow.
Usually when you get
that is strawberry.
Usually when you get Kit Kats and they have flavor on it, it's like a dull tint to it. But this is, wow, punch you in the face strawberry. It's actually pretty good. I might actually eat these.
You know, like the seeds that you get on the strawberry that when you're eating, like they get kind of like in there. I feel like there's miniature seeds in this because like that texture that's behind it. It's like, wait a minute. There's seeds in this cream.
This is good. This is good. That was a good one. I don't usually like Kit Kats. Okay, so we're gonna try out this grape gum. This is the one that has
the
random sour.
At least I hope I get because I love sour.
This is Osamano Wasuremono grape gum. Contains 3 grape gum balls.
Can't talk right now.
I can't talk today.
Let me read it for you then. Made by Chorus, this Osamano grape gum contains 3 grape gum balls. One of the 3 is sour. Test your luck with some friends to see who gets the sour grape.
I hope I don't because I don't like sour. Pick your contender.
They all look pretty much the same, but I'm gonna take this one.
I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, it smells so good. Grape. Did you get the sour? Okay, I'm good then.
It's good.
Did you just swallow it?
It like dissolved.
The last 2 items are gums, but since we're chewing on gum already, he's apparently gonna try it anyways.
I'm not chewing it. It like dissolved. It's like super fast dissolving.
Go ahead. Did you try out the
sour cola?
Sour long gummy mini cola. Experience the shake, pop, and fizzle of a cola drink in this long cola chewing gum. It's extra chewy and stays sweet for a long time so you can enjoy the cola flavor.
Definitely tastes like cola.
This next one he's gonna try, because he just keeps going. Rilakkuma Gum. This cute gum features, I already read this, so it's very tiny. I don't know what kind of flavor it is. It says soda flavored. There it is.
What soda though? How many different types of soda are out
Usually
there? I don't know.
When it comes to Japanese and it just says soda, usually it means it's base soda's like ramune kind of flavored. That's what they usually when they just have
If it isn't
soda.
blue, it's blue. It's definitely Ramune.
Yeah. Still chewing my other gum.
It's Rumune.
Rumune. So I hope you guys enjoyed this taste testing. That's all that's in here. Now we're going to fight over our food like we normally do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And expect more videos like these. But always expect these Japan crates to be in the month after. Because they always come really late. Because they're coming from Japan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!